Okay, I'm about to install this backup sump pump, and going to try to walk you guys through what I'm doing. But first thing, I gotta remove that cover. In order to, I gotta take all that silicone out, all that glue, whatever they have around it. Uh, then I'll be able to lift that cover, bring it all the way up. I gotta take those two screws out. Untie them, take that black rubber out, and then this should be able to come off. Now this thing is still so tight. Only place I think water probably will start coming from first, probably that hole. And this hole, this is where the humidifier hose go into. So I don't have to keep emptied most of the time. So that's what that hole is for. Other than that, they had this thing sealed really tight. And before I start anything, I make sure I had a bucket so I can empty my water into, because once you unplug this pump and start cutting, the water is gonna keep coming, so you gotta make sure you have something to empty the water. So let me get this cover removed, and then I'll walk you guys to the next step. Okay guys, I got the cover off so far. Now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm going to go get the backup pump ready. Then I'm gonna come over here because I need a 4 feet PCV pipe for the other one with the check valves and everything. Then I'm gonna come over here, cut 4 feet from this pipe, the main pump. Then I'll be able to slide the cover out from wherever I cut it from easier. So let me get that done and then show you guys the next step. Okay guys, this is how far I am so far. Now after I took the cover off, I cut the pipe coming from the main pump. I put a check valve on it, and then I cut a 4 feet tall pipe for the emergency backup pump. Then I add a check valve on it too. Now I'm working on making that connection to the main pump pipe. So I'm gonna put my wire over there, take that rubber off, put my wire over there, and then I'm gonna join it to that 45-degree elbow over here. So let me get all that set up, and once I'm done with that step, I should have the battery, everything hooked up, and then show you guys when it's working out. When I'm doing the test. So you guys stay tuned. Let me get both of them joined together. Okay guys, I'm almost done. I got both pump in there so far. Main pump, backup pump. I got all my wire nice and neat, tape. This is where the split is at. So only thing I got left now is to hook up the body and then test it. So let me do that and then get back to you. Okay guys, I got everything set up so far. Main pump, backup pump, everything is nice and neat. Everything is taped, all the wire. Make sure they're not going everywhere. Two check valves, one on each. You get your wire pipe, you got your elbow, you join both together. Then you got your battery. So all that is connected. One thing I gotta do now, it's one a test. So let me cover everything up, and then I'll do a test quick. Okay guys, I got the cover back on. Battery is full of charge. You guys see, full of charge. It's plugged in. Main pump is running right now. Everything is nice and neat over here. Battery is off the floor. So only thing that's left to run a test. And then I gotta make a cover for this thing, since now we got two pipes, so I gotta cut a second hole, but I'll do that later on. But anyway, I'm gonna unplug the main pump. So the main pump is unplugged. Let's see if the backup pump is gonna kick on. It's gonna take a little bit to reach that floater. And this is the previous cover, so I'm gonna have to make a second cover so I can have both pipe in there and still have it covered, so mice or whatever don't fall in there. And yeah, I'm not a plumber, but save you sometimes couple $100 just to do it yourself. As long as you read all the precautions you gotta take, then the rest should be easy. About 3 more inches to go. And again, floater on each, check valve on each. This is where it's split. It's a little messy up there, but no, first time doing it. About 2 more inches. Just touch that floater. So hopefully everything will stay running till spring, until those guys can come up here, find out where that leak is outside. It's almost there. Now they want it about 10 inches from the pump, because you don't want both pumps to be running at the same time. There we go. This thing just kick on. Man, this thing is super quiet compared to the main pump. Yeah, this is really quiet. So that's this. Now just gonna go ahead again, plug the main pump back on. There we go. So everything is ready to go except for the cover, and that's all I got for you guys. Easy sample step, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.